Protecting individuals from discrimination, the Equality Act was first introduced in 2010 to replace previous anti-discrimination laws, making them easier to understand and strengthening protection. All organisations must comply with the legislation and demonstrate how they're preventing discrimination against the 9 protected characteristics: age, race, religion or belief, gender reassignment, sex discrimination, sexual orientation, marriage and civil partnership, pregnancy and maternity, and disability. Where are you protected? Well, you're protected in the workplace, in education, when using public services, as a consumer or member of a private club, or when you're buying or renting property. Protection is also provided if you're discriminated against because of your association with someone with a protected characteristic, because you filed a complaint, or because you've supported another person's claim. There are 4 key types of discrimination: direct, indirect, harassment, and victimization. Direct discrimination is when you treat someone less favourably because of a protected characteristic. Indirect discrimination refers to the establishment of rules or arrangements which apply to everyone but place someone with a protected characteristic at a disadvantage. Harassment is any unwanted behaviour related to a protected characteristic, which violates an individual's dignity, creating an offensive environment. And finally, victimization is when an individual is treated unfairly because they filed a complaint about discrimination. So what should you do if you experience discrimination? It's recommended that you try to sort things out informally before filing claims with an employment tribunal. Start by following your organisation's grievance procedures to make a complaint, or reach out to your trade union representative for help. However, there are some cases where discrimination is acceptable. If it's deemed an operational requirement, then discrimination could be permitted, provided it's crucial to the post, relates to the nature of the job, and is a proportionate means of achieving a legitimate aim. Who's liable for discrimination? As individuals can name both their employer and any colleagues they allege were involved as respondents in a written discrimination claim filed with the tribunal, both the organisation and its employees are liable. In fact, the employer can be liable for the actions of its staff, even if they weren't directly involved in the discriminatory behaviour. This is known as vicarious liability. But what is meant by equality and diversity? Equality is about ensuring individuals or groups aren't treated differently on the basis of a specific protected characteristic, by promoting everyone's right to embrace their own beliefs and values. Diversity focuses on recognising, respecting and valuing people's differences and the importance of the contributions they'll make to the organisation. It's vital that organisations promote these ideals in the workplace, as everyone deserves the opportunity to develop their skills and talents while working in a safe, supportive and inclusive environment where their work is valued and they have a meaningful voice on the matters which affect them. As people are attracted to the organisation by the knowledge that they will be treated equally regardless of their background or appearance, employers are able to recruit from a larger pool of potential candidates. Receiving a wide range of ideas, skills and resources, the organisation's productivity levels increase, and its profile within the community is raised as more perspectives are represented. Meanwhile, individuals feel confident in the knowledge that they and their colleagues were hired because of their aptitude for the role, and will benefit from receiving the right tools to help them get the job done, such as flexible working hours or appropriate facilities. In summary, the Equality Act 2010 is designed to protect individuals from discrimination and encourages organisations to promote equality and diversity in the workplace as they aim to create a culture that's centred on fairness, dignity and respect.